see this wallet? $2.4 million, and every dollar came from meme coins I launched myself. Not bought, not traded, launched. This isn't hype, this is a strategy. I'm gonna show you how I did it step by step. I used to think the key to getting rich with meme coins was timing the market, getting in early, watching it moon. But it never worked. Every chart I bought in ended up in the same. The dev rugged, the price tanked, and I lost all my Solana. Then I took a step back and asked, who is really making money here? It wasn't the traders, it was the people launching the tokens. So I flipped it. Now I launch the coins, set the liquidity, and decide when to exit. Buyers rush in, volume spikes, and I walk away with profit. No guessing, no gambling. If you're tired of being the one getting dumped, now it's time to switch the roles. Stop trading meme coins, start launching them. That's how you flip the whole game. By the way, this video does not constitute financial advice, so please don't copy me, cap! Pump.Fun is flooded. Every time you try to launch a meme coin, you're competing with thousands of other tokens, all going live at the same time. Most of them never even make it out the unlaunched section. That's why I switched to create tokens.io. You launch straight onto Raydium, and your coin gets instantly graduated, meaning it's tradable right away, no waiting around, and you get way more exposure. You get seen faster, you get buyers faster, and because you control the liquidity, you keep full control over the chart and all the fucking profits. Forget getting lost in the crowd, this is how you actually stand out. Anyways, let's stop wasting time and let's launch a coin. I'm not overthinking it, I'm picking one, clicking through, and getting it live. Timing matters more than perfection, so let's hit the copy trending coins button and make this chart real. Now first of all, connect your wallet, just like so. Then refresh list, and let's look for a coin to copy. Now I'm gonna go with, okay. The Andy coin just caught my attention. It looks kind of funny. Let me refresh once again just to see. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna copy this one. It has a tele, a Twitter, and a Pump.Fun. A last bio a minute ago, which is not bad. I know $47,000 market cap. So I'm gonna create coin. Then just ignore the warning from Phantom. It's completely normal, okay? Trust me. Proceed, confirm, understand, confirm, and then the coin should be copied shortly. Just be a bit patient. Should be any second now, and boom, if I go on SoScan, you guys can see that it's officially minted and created on the blockchain. But now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is really fucking easy. We're basically adding liquidity so that people can buy into the coin and sell it on Raydium. This is what makes your coin tradable. It links your token to Sol and sets the market price. Let's get it set up. Now here, select your coin, token B, select, just leave it as it is. Amount token A, click on 90%. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool. Now for the amount in token B, this is your initial buy into the coin. You are the first buyer, so you are not losing this money here. Just make sure you've got enough Sol in your wallet. Minimum is 0.3. And don't stress it, when you remove the liquidity later, that Sol comes right back inside your wallet. I'm gonna put 0.4 Solana, which is right above the minimum amount. Create pool, then wait for the phantom pop up, and then click on confirm. After that, click on refresh. Then scroll down and boom, the Andy coin is now created live on Raydium, and you could potentially find it here. You just have to look really good. But yeah, now our PNL is at $0 right now. But if you simply re-click on refresh once again to refresh the whole page, well, the liquidity section, boom, our profits are at $159, so people are currently buying in the coin at the moment. Click on Photon to see a chart, and boom, now the coin is live. Just give it a bit of seconds because it has to load. Yeah, these are late buys. Now all we have to do from now on is just wait, sit back and watch all the money and all the fucking buys roll in, because we have nothing else to do, right? We just have to wait. We are starting at a $1.5 thousand market cap, and yeah bro, be right back. Okay guys, I'm back, and as you guys can see, we are at almost a $5 thousand market cap and $2,000 in liquidity. Now the cash out profits come back to the site, and then first of all we're gonna refresh to check our profits. And boom, we're up $1,689 with a $4.8 thousand market cap. I could wait longer for the price to go higher, but I'm lazy. I want my money right now. So click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity. Then, as you guys can see, we're going to receive like 8 SOL. Click on confirm. And boom, that's exactly how you make a shit ton of money off launching meme coins. If I open my Phantom wallet without cutting anything because I am fully transparent, boom, 1.6 grand right in my wallet.